Today we're going to be making lemon pound cake popcorn. Let's get popping. Oh, that's so good. Today we're going to be making lemon pound cake popcorn. And to do that, we're going to be using a gold medal product called lemon pound cake. This is a signature shake, which typically signature shakes are very much along the lines of savory flavors, but this one is on the sweet side and it smells so good. It smells just like lemon pound cake. Really, really good. We've made this flavor before, very simple in our popcorn popper, but today we're going to take this up a notch to another level. We're going to be using this great signature shake. We're also going to be using mini Nilla wafers. So we're going to be mixing these cookies in with our lemon pound cake popcorn. And we're also going to take it up one more notch by using white chocolate. We're going to mix up our cookies and our popcorn. We're going to melt over some great white chocolate, and we're going to make an amazing popcorn dessert. First thing we're going to do is turn on our kettle, start to get it heated up. Move these cookies out of the way because we're going to use those later. Same with our chocolate. We are going to be popping up 8 ounces of kernels in this machine because this is an 8-ounce popcorn popper. It's a Theater Pop 8, so 8 ounces of kernels. And we're also going to be using 3 ounces of oil. And the oil we're going to be using is this buttery goodness. This is a product by Paragon. It's a popping oil, but it's also a topping oil. You can put this right on top of your popcorn, like butter flavored popcorn. Works great for that. But you can also use it to pop popcorn. And that's what we're going to be doing today. So we have 3 ounces of oil, and we need to get 8 ounces of kernels. We have our kernels in this 5-gallon bucket. You can see them. We're almost out, actually. We're going to have to open up another bag. We usually buy these in 50-pound bags. There's our 8 ounces of kernels. Our kettle's been heating up. I see a little smoke coming off it, so I'm assuming it's the right temperature. But just to be sure, we're going to use our infrared thermometer, and we're going to hit that. Yep, we're at almost 500 degrees. We only really need it to be about 350. We're going to put our oil in there, and we're going to drop in our kernels. We'll close that up. While that's heating back up, the next thing we're going to do is get our lemon pound cake seasoning ready. Because this is going to pop up about a gallon of popcorn, we're going to use 1/3 cup of lemon pound cake seasoning. So I have a measuring cup, 1/3 cup. Take our lemon pound cake seasoning. I can't stop smelling that. It's just so good. And I can't get over how much it's just like pound cake. It's awesome. I got a nice heaping 1/3 cup. One more smell, then I'll close it up. While this is heating up, I also want to mention down in the description is a link to the Popcorn Genius recipe book. You can download that for free today. Also, if you're interested in picking up one of these Paragon popcorn poppers, there's a link down in the description. There's also a coupon code where you can get 15% off one of these popcorn poppers, so you can use this right at your house as well. One more thing, down in the description is a link to join the Popcorn Genius community, where we talk all about popcorn. There's great resources in there about how to use theater-style popcorn poppers like this, how to make all kinds of flavors, how to start your own kettle corn business, all kinds of just amazing resources, so be sure to check that out too. I'm hearing it pop. That's a great, great sign. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. I'm excited to try this. Like I said, I really like the lemon pound cake popcorn when we made it plain, but ramping it up with this chocolate and these cookies, it's gonna be really good. There we go, got lift off. Now we're gonna listen for this, and as soon as it starts to slow down, that's when we're gonna dump it. I'm hearing it slow down. We're gonna turn off our kettle, and we're gonna give it a dump. We'll stir this around. Sift out any of those unpopped kernels in there. Now, we're gonna use a 2-gallon Ziploc bag, and we're gonna put all of our fresh, hot popcorn right inside this bag. All right, there we have a gallon of popcorn. And what we're gonna do, while it's still nice and hot and fresh, we're gonna put in our lemon pound cake seasoning. So we'll dump that right in here. Close this up. Give it a shake. Now, before, that lemon pound cake smelled so good. I mentioned that how many times? I couldn't stop smelling it. But now, when you put it over hot popcorn, it's like fresh baked lemon pound cake. Oh yeah, it smells so good. Let's check out a couple pieces right there. Nice mushroom style kernels, nice and big. Let's taste it. Oh yeah. So good. Very lemony. You can even taste the pound cake in that. That's so good. We have our gallon of popcorn. Now we're gonna go on to our next step. Okay, we have our lemon pound cake popcorn all laid out on these cookie sheets. We have it on some wax paper. You can also use parchment paper. Next thing we're gonna do is we are going to use these mini Nilla wafers and we're gonna put them on top of the popcorn. We just sprinkle them on top. These are the mini ones, kind of small. They're good. Okay, we have our mini Nilla wafers all over. Now we're gonna melt our chocolate. We have our Wilton candy melts here, and we're basically just gonna put these into our bowl and melt them in the microwave. Put the whole bag in there, and we're gonna pop that in the microwave. 1 minute. Take it out of the microwave, give it a stir. Back in the microwave, 1 minute. All right, we take it out, give it a stir. Oh yeah, it's looking good already. All right, we're good to go. Now we're gonna drizzle it on top. Ooh, that looks so good on there. Oh yeah. Lemon pound cake, popcorn, Nilla wafers, and white chocolate. All right, look at that. Look at all that chocolate drizzled over the top of that. That looks so good. All right, we're gonna let this set up and then we're gonna give it a taste. Today we made lemon pound cake popcorn, something amazingly different than we usually make. We've made lemon pound cake popcorn before, but we just took it to a whole new level with these Nilla wafers and this white chocolate. So we're gonna give it a taste right now. I'm gonna get a piece of the Nilla wafer, piece of this lemon pound cake popcorn, and the chocolate right here. So we have that, let's give it a taste. You know, it tastes like lemon icing. Oh, that's so good. The lemon is very bright, very flavorful. With that white chocolate on there, it's like a lemon icing almost. And then the Nilla wafer is almost like a cake. Brings that pound cake right out on it. That is so good. And look how nice it looks too. This is like a really nice gourmet flavor popcorn. I mean, this can stack up with the best of them. Such a delicious, delicious flavor. Remember, you can make great popcorn flavors just like this. You just gotta get out there and get popping.